Hey guys, Joe Burnich with Big West Marketing. We empower small businesses to succeed online, and we do that by simplifying all this internet marketing stuff. If you're watching this video right now, it's because you want to know how to get online reviews for window cleaners, okay? I'm going to show you 3 simple methods you can implement right away, and you should be excited you found this video because hardly anybody else in this industry, in the window cleaning industry, it has a system for getting reviews. So there's a lot of opportunity to get a head start on everybody and really dominate your area. So let's start right now. Okay, so if you take my advice and you take action on this stuff starting right away, then your business will make more money. I mean, reviews are the new word of mouth advertising. I mean, think about how many times you've consulted Amazon or Yelp or even Google before making a decision. So the bottom line is people are reading reviews about your company. I promise you they are, and it will make a huge difference. It'll make it so you can, number one, get more calls. You can actually charge higher prices because now you're a premium window cleaner. There's just so many benefits to this. The stuff I'm going to show you is not technical. You don't need to be a computer person or a marketing wizard or anything like that. It's very simple that any competent business owner can understand and implement. Okay. And if you do get stuck or if you have questions, we do have a free 30-minute consultation. You can book that phone call with us. There's a link down below this video. I highly recommend you take advantage of this stuff and we can go over all your marketing stuff. This is a true consultation, not a sales call. However, at the end, if we feel like you're a good fit, we will make an offer to you. But like I said, it is a true consultation. We're going to give you advice and get you where you need to be. All right, so take advantage of that. It's free for the first 30 minutes. It's a $97 value. It will speed you to success, I promise. So take advantage of that. Now, I'm going to pull up my PowerPoint. Okay, so I am calling this the 5-star knockout method because we are going to knock out the competition with our system here. And what it really means is, yes, you're going to make more money. You're going to build trust and kind of dominate your area. But there's some other hidden benefits that people don't know about reviews. And number one is higher Google rankings. You actually help your SEO, help your rankings with Google by getting more positive reviews than anybody else. Another thing is with Google AdWords, you can actually put turbo boosters on your AdWords ads by displaying your reviews in your ad. Okay, this is a huge thing a lot of people don't know about. We've been implementing it for our clients, for our AdWords clients. It'll actually reduce your cost per click, and it'll make your ad bigger and a better chance of it getting clicked on. The third hidden benefit that I want to talk about is Google Local Service ads. Now, this is where you have to put in an application with Google, and they have an employee review to make sure you are a high-quality business. They're only working with the quality guys, okay? The way they're determining that, one of the top ways anyways, is your reviews, okay? How many reviews do you have? How many of them are positive? How many happy clients do you have? And then they really are cracking down on fake reviews. They're trying to determine if you have fake reviews or genuine reviews. The people with the fake reviews are not going to get approved for this. So that's another benefit if you really want to play that game. Now, good news is 95% of local businesses out there have no review system in place, but that's changing, okay? People are starting to understand that reviews are super powerful when it comes to marketing, okay? People are paying attention to this stuff, and they're making their decisions based on reviews. The solution, I have a complete solution specifically for window cleaners. I have a 5-video series, how to do SEO, how to do AdWords, how to do mobile first websites. This one, of course, is how to get Google reviews. This is one of 5, and I'm going to show you guys how you can access the other 5 at the end of this video here, okay? But let's talk about the 3 simple ways to get reviews. I got 3 methods for you. Number 1, feedback cards. Number 2, a powerful email template. Number 3, text it and forget it. So let's jump in to the first one, which is feedback cards. Now, guys, all this is a simple little business card that says, thank you for choosing our services on one side. You flip it over, and then there's step-by-step instructions on how to leave a Google review. Okay, so step 1 is you're going to say, go to our website. You're going to list your website. Step 2 is going to say, click on our leave a Google review button. Okay, so you need to have your web designer put this button on your website that links over to your Google page. And I'm going to show you how to link that in a sec. But it's super important you have this on your website. You don't want them going out and trying to find it on their own, they'll get frustrated and they just won't do it. So as you know, it's super hard to get Google reviews. If you ask 10 people to give you a Google review, maybe one will actually do it. With this card, you've just made it way easier for them, okay? And the key to this is to tell them what to do. Don't expect them to do it. Don't just give them a card that says, "You could please go leave me a Google review." Give them step-by-step instructions on how to do it. And this button on the website is a key in that process. If you want to get some inexpensive cards, go to vistaprintdeals.com. They've got all kinds of specials. This specific special is 500 premium cards for $10. So whatever they have, it'll be a good deal. And they actually have a little design program there where you can actually create it, customize it to be exactly the way you want. If you don't know how to do that or don't want to do that, have somebody else do it for you, but you need to get that done. Simple method number 2, I'm calling the power template. This is an email that I used to use for my service business that I sold back in 2014, but I got this from a website a long time ago, and I did it word for word, and it worked like gangbusters. So what I want you to do is pause the video, get a pen and paper, and write this down word for word, okay? Because I want you to use this email template. You can also screenshot it if you know how, but just make sure you get this word for word and start sending this out to clients after every job, assuming that you know that they're happy. The key to this is getting into a routine, a system, okay? So after every job, you want to make sure that you go back to the office or have your office person send out these emails the day that the job was performed. If you wait the next day, the chances go down. You wait a week, you're probably not going to get hardly any response. You got to get them while they're hot. You got to get them while they're happy. This is a very important thing, and it has to be part of your routine. All right? Super important. Now, number 3, we're going to use our smartphones. Okay? Simple method number 3 is text it. You're going to text it to get a review. I found this picture online. I thought it was kind of funny. But yeah, you're going to get reviews, and you're going to look just like this guy once you start getting reviews from your phone. This is my favorite method, and I'll show you why. So you're going to basically send a text message to your clients. In addition to your email and your cards, you're going to send a text message. And once again, you're going to go word for word and say, "Hi, it was great working for you today. Would you take a moment to leave a review on my Google page? Here is the link." And you're going to have a link that goes directly to the place where they can leave a review on your Google page. Okay? Now, most people get stuck here because they don't know how to find this Google link. So I'm going to show you how to do that as well. So you may need to go back and rewatch this video, or at least this section, because there's several steps involved here. So step 1, you're going to go to your phone, and you're going to go to google.com, and you're going to type in your business name, and you're going to find your Google page. Then you're going to click on the little reviews tab there, and then you're going to see a page like this. You're going to have to scroll down a little bit until you get to the stars, and it's going to say rate and review on Google. You're going to click on star number 5, okay? Then you want to make sure you see this page, okay? And once you see this page, you're going to tap on the little address bar at the top, and then you're going to click on copy, okay? And then you're going to simply open up your email program on your phone, and you're going to send an email to yourself, and you're going to paste in the address. Now, it's this big, long, obnoxious address. I don't know why Google does it that way, but they do. And the reason you're emailing it to yourself is so you'll have it handy, so you can easily copy and paste it into here, copy and paste it into here. You can send it to your web designer so they can link it up with this this button. So there's 3 different places you want to use this, but it's very important you know how to grab that. And when you email it to yourself, you do that so that you'll have it handy. Okay, anytime you need it, so you don't have to go through this process every single time you get the link, you can just have it right there in an email saved and ready to go. All right, so real quick, I want to direct your attention. We have a program that'll streamline a lot of this stuff for you. If you don't want to do all this stuff manually, we do have a program for you called easy5star.com. Go ahead and check that out. I'll also put a link down below, and I also promise you I'm going to give you access to the complete solution here with all 5 videos for window cleaners, SEO, AdWords, reviews, marketing, and how to do mobile-first websites. This one's huge. I show you some things that'll give you that you can implement today that'll double, triple your business. Promise, okay? So I put a link down to book a call with us. I put a link to the easy5star.com. I put a link to all 5 of these videos. Go check them out now. Now, if you're a client of Big West Marketing, all of this is taken care of for you. We like to make this as simple as possible for our clients so you can focus on what you do best. Now, if you are not a client of Big West Marketing, right now we are offering a free consultation up to 30 minutes. That's normally a $97 value, so take advantage of this right now. Just call or click on the link to schedule a day and time that works best for you. So, if you're tired of being confused and overwhelmed, then contact us today. Someone from our office will show you step by step what you need to do to be successful online. If you are ready for a real solution, contact us today.